Hey guys, PenguinEsk here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, it is day 3 of Inktober. And if you didn't know, I'm participating in Inktober, and for this Inktober, I'm doing a comic. And I'm going to be uploading a page a day. So, if you want to follow me, my process, real-time stuff of me making this comic, please go follow me on Twitch because I do stream daily, allegedly. I am streaming daily for the month of October until I finish my comic. And follow me on Instagram because that is where I post the unofficial finished version, which is just the version without the text on it, and it's just the plain paper. As well as follow me on Tapas, because that is where I post my comic with the text. That way, like, you understand what the fuck is going on, because I am like a dialogue fiend, so there's just a lot of that. So yeah, follow me on all those platforms. You can also follow me on Twitter, but I'm not really posting on Twitter for Inktober. Mostly on Instagram. But yeah, let's get into the video. So far, I think this is my favorite page, and we've only done 3 pages already. So the reason why this is my favorite page is because Maximilian has like the best like facial expression as well as panel. His panel is great, and I had to go back and edit text into it, and it just came out so great. I love it. And just, you guys have to like follow me on Tapas, and it probably will be at the end of this video, because you know, that's the life I'm living. But if you want to see it in like full quality, follow me on Tapas, but so you can see what I'm talking about, because it's so great. If I wasn't like some type of a bitch, like, I would change all my like icons to that, but your girl wants to just stay consistent with her regular icon, so I will figure out a way to implement this into something, because I love it so much. So I'm not sure if this is kind of off topic for what I wanted to talk about, because I don't know what the fuck I want to talk about, but I wanted to ask you guys what I should talk about during this Inktober, because I know with daily videos you just kind of run out of things to say, especially like if you're doing artwork, and if it's a comic page, like, there's not much to like say about it, because basically this comic page is just them walking and talking about spoopy stuff. So yeah, I don't know how I'm going to get through this Inktober with just talking about it. So if you do have any questions about Inktober, about what I'm doing, all of that and above, please leave them down in the comment section below, because you guys know I love answering questions, so don't be afraid to ask. But yeah, now what I do want to talk about is really off topic, but it is my setup. So I know you guys see my fall setup, it's great, I love it, but I was thinking of doing the same thing for December, for the winter, but mainly for December. And what I want to do is get a poster board that is of wood, because I saw it in Michael's, and hopefully it's still there, and it's white. And I know, because I'm just always at Michael's, because it's just like right up the block, so I know there's a reef, like, not a reef, but like, you know, the vine thing that's there with the maple leaves that I have, but it's just like winter themed, and I want to get that, and I feel like that will look super duper pretty. That sounds really nice. And since we're in like the spoopy whatevers, I always have lights on my on everything, so I want to get lights for that too. But lo and behold, your bitch never puts on the lights because I don't have a reason. I just kind of forget that I have the lights. I'm always like, oh, this is like whatever the fuck. Wow, did you see that bonnet popping in? Because wow. 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 I am so sorry for that bonnet that just came in with full force. But yeah. Setups and setups and setups. I want to try and get a green one so I can try and green screen. Ooh, so I can try and green screen something, but I'm not sure how that's gonna go. Because I'm still like a novice at editing, but like I'm trying, guys. I'm really trying. As always, I want to tell you guys my materials. I'm using Kuretake black ink in 60, a uni pen in 005, a Sakura Pigma Sensei in 06 and 10, and a Micron PN. So, you know, if you guys ever wanted to know what I was using for this series, that's it. Because I'm lame and I probably will never link it in the description. But yeah, this video is coming to its end, guys, so if you haven't already, please subscribe for these daily Inktober videos because we really out here right now. And don't forget to go follow me on Tapas, follow me on Instagram, and follow me on Twitch so you get those, you know, notifications on when I'm doing Inktober or just the pieces in general. And I will put a link to the Inktober playlist at the end of this video and in the description below. I forgot to say that last time, and I also forgot to link the Inktober playlist in the end card, or link anything in the end card. So yeah, I'm just very trash. So yeah, don't forget to do all of that so you can watch my comic unfold, guys. I'm really, you know, happy about this, and I'm proud of myself that I actually started. So, you know, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys stick around for more. Bye, guys.